Hi guys, so today we'll be learning how to make a ham and cheese omelette. For this recipe we're gonna need ham and cheese, an egg, and butter. We're gonna start by chopping the ham and the cheese. And then leave it in a bowl. Now we are going to crack the egg in a plate or a bowl. Now let's start to whisk the egg. Add some salt and whisk it a little bit more. Now you're done. Time to heat the butter and then pour our egg. Now let it cook. With the center not fully cooked, you can add the ham and the cheese. When the cheese is melted, you can fold it. Now we are ready to eat. Enjoy it! We love to hear from you guys, so leave your comment. See you next video. Bye!